Hello my friends, my name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat, sell your boat, and share my knowledge on anything boating. I want to give you a scenario that I see a lot of. Let's say you're ready to buy a boat, and you do a little research because you want to make the right decision for your family. But you suddenly realize that there's a little bit more to it than just grabbing a boat off the shelf. You have to think about the boat type, the boat brand, engine package, resale value, the condition. And I know it can get a little overwhelming, but that is why there is a regulated yacht brokerage industry. And you will get your money's worth with a good yacht broker. And when you find that good yacht broker, he or she will help you from the discovery of the boat all the way to getting it behind your house, your trailer, or your marina. So it comes down to this. Get yourself a yacht broker because your time is money. Now, if I may, I want to go even further. Let me ask you this. Are you going to close with your personal name or an entity? If it's an entity, is it a BVI, Delaware Corp, LLC, partnership? Are you going to have a maritime lawyer or documentation company close you? You're going to need abstracts, titling, registrations, all these documentations. Are you going to pay cash or finance? Are you going to register it with the state or the Coast Guard? Are you going to pay local sales tax or sign a removal affidavit? Are you going to get insurance? You should. And if you do, some insurances want a tracking device. Do you know what brand to get? Now, let's say you found your boat. Let the yacht broker go and see it first. Let them determine if it's going to meet your key points and if it's in good condition. And then you can schedule to go and see it because that'll save you a lot of time. Now, let's say you contract on a boat. Let the yacht broker help you with the haul out, the sea trial, the survey, finding a captain, a transporter, shrink wrap, getting it on your trailer, marina, or building a lift. What if you want something like generator, seakeeper, AC installed, or repowering the whole boat? Or if you want a nice detail before you get it delivered, the yacht broker can help you with all that. After 16 years of selling boats and loving every moment of it, I am on autopilot, and everything I mentioned I can do. There are yacht brokers that have been doing it for 20, 30, 40 plus years, so you will find one. You've worked way too hard to worry about all this stuff, so let a yacht broker do everything for you. My name is Steve Munive with Steve Munive Yacht Sales, and my goal is to help you find a boat or sell your boat, from 30-foot center consoles all the way to super yachts. You can always connect with me through phone, email, or any of my social media channels. I'll see you on the water. You've earned it.